Now finally let's talk about the after undelete. Okay, so this is the event which is not available in the before undelete is not there, and after delete is there. So first question comes here is the why. So why no before undelete and the before delete is there? Because here in the case of undeletion, data will be undeleted from the recycle bin, which means that the data is already available and now that is deleted from the recycle bin. We are now trying to undelete that record. But in case of before, if you will see in the before insert, record IDs are not there, that is the data is physically not present into the database, no record IDs are there. So what data you will going to delete if it is not physically available? So how we can delete this once it is not deleted? So how we can restore them from the recycle bin, right? So this is the reason we are not having any before undelete, because of the absence of physically data available in the Salesforce. Okay, but in the case of after trigger, data is available. After the insertion only we are performing the things here, so we can delete that data too, plus we can also now undelete that data because that is physically available here. So undelete is available in. And if we talk about the context variable, in this case the trigger dot new and new map will going to give you the value. It will going to run similar to the after insert. In the case of after insert also, you will going to have a value in new and new map, and in the undelete also, new and new map will going to give you, because again it will going to act as a new record, and from the recycle bin it is restored and come back to the account object. Okay, to any of the object whatever the record you are undeleting. And in case of no old and no old map, no value will be there. Okay, because the record will going to act as a new record, not the old version or the older records. So these are the different trigger events which we have discussed till here. If you are having any queries or want to know something, can go through the previous recordings or the videos. And if you are looking for a course, you can check out my Udemy course on the on this epic triggers, where multiple scenarios are shared, interview scenarios are also there, solutions are also given, and the theoretical part is also covered, so you can check out that too. Thank you so much for watching the video.